Now I'm doing the W cooing exercise, which is balancing from back vibrations, sound, into a gradual moving of the sound from an U to an O to an A, which is a more frontal projection, and doing that on a higher pitch. Also try to distinguish, making the W is just a filling of air inside of your mouth. Sucking in the air and filling basically your skull with air like a balloon. When you then fill your mouth with water, it will gently separate your teeth and open up your mouth. In addition to that, you inhale air through your nose that goes then into the water basin in your mouth. And then you additionally do the yawning motion. That needs to happen. Both things need to happen to then have enough air pressure so that you can gently start vibrating. And it needs a little bit more pressure when you're doing this in a higher pitch, of course, but we want to learn it on all pitches and in a moving pitch. Okay, here we go. Could you see the water moving inside of my mouth? I probably should have a better light so you could see that, how my water was vibrating with the vowels. And of course, we can work, I can make totally different volumes without changing the pitch, which is very important. And I can change the pitch.